Recognizing senior government officials who are here present, and we are sitting at the top table with Mr. Sango from Ministry of Transport, Mr. Churu, the Principal Director in the Ministry of Finance. Service chiefs, I have seen quite a number. The Yutong Regional Sales Manager for Africa, Mr. James Fu. Hussein Payne, Director, Mr. Nyanguyam. There was an indication of the General Manager of the IGC, but I don't seem to have nothing to say. Is he here? No, so I'll leave that one out. The board members of Motec Holdings and Devon Engineering, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. On June 16, 2011, Devon Engineering officially launched the Yutong F11 bus in Zimbabwe. This event was the beginning of a process towards achieving our vision of providing transport equipment to Zimbabwean market. This was the beginning of a trading phase of our relationship with Yutong, where customers were getting a feel and experience of the Yutong product. During that period, continued product assessment and improvement was being done through feedback from operators, passengers, and local dealers. During the past 3 years, the number of bus units in operation in Zimbabwe increased to more than, I think Mr. Fu said 300. What I've been supplied here is that it's 250, but anyway, it's close enough, from just below 20 in 2010, and the number continues to grow. This development has led to increased collaboration with Yutong, where Yutong has made a commitment to supply Devon Engineering with completely knocked down kits, or CKT, for the F11 model for local assembly. This will be complemented by the technical and after-sales training of our staff. You will all be aware of the Zimbabwe agenda for socio-economic, sustainable socio-economic transformation, where value addition is a key strategy to implementation of growth-oriented policies that will take Zimbabwe to a place where it belongs, in particular the growth of its industrial base. And manufacture or assembly of this person is consistent with that policy. So we really, as Devon Engineering, we really welcome this development, and we will also be asking the other government, the arms of government, to cooperate with us so that we realize this goal. As the numbers continue to grow, and in order to ensure effective product support, Yutong increased network in Zimbabwe, where 2 official dealers were appointed, covering the whole country, and these are, as I've already indicated, Devon Engineering and Hussein Payne. The F12 model being launched today exudes its strongest vigor and vitality, with stylish appearances, complemented with the superior trafficability, and can easily handle any challenging road conditions with an approach angle of 13 degrees, 11 degrees departure angle, and 430 millimeters ground clearance of sidewall edge. The main emphasis of this model is safety, with the following features: spacious, bright internal space for convenient boarding and alighting, easy access to repair, maintenance and convenience when carrying out routine services and maintenance. Lowered engine hood creates a full flat floor, thus increasing internal space. The mute system incorporated on the bus effectively decreases noise from the exterior power and drive trains. The ergonomic seats fitting the body curve reduces driver fatigue and brings more comfortable experience to passengers. The bus has already been indicated, a 10 cubic meter luggage compartment, making it the model that carries most luggage without a trailer. This bus has undergone the following quality, safety, and endurance tests: road simulation test, rollover test, all vehicle shower test, and CA crash test, automatization of power train matching. In order to satisfy local demand and create employment, Devon Engineering, in collaboration with UTOM, will be embarking on a local assembly of buses from kits imported as completely knocked down. Sales and after-sales service will be done through Devon Engineering and Ports and Paint, the official UTOM dealers in Zimbabwe. The local assembly program will lead to localization of various components of bus, such as glass, tires, seats, exhaust, paints, and other minor accessories, creating downstream employment. Our appreciation thus goes to all government ministries that continue to support Devon, UTOM, and for the continued confidence they have in Devon Engineering and Ports and Paint. Transport operators for continuing to support the UTOM brand and all the traveling public for preferring to travel in UTOM bus. And with these few words, we wish to thank you for coming to listen to an adventure that we are wanting to complete with UTOM and Ports and Paint.